Automatic bottles washing and cleaning machine. Pre-startup status detection. With Siemens touch screen. Running status detection. Exquisite craftsmanship at the bottle inlet. High-level mechanical configuration. Negative ion electrostatic generator nozzle. Export dust removal device. Safety door lock. Neat blowing and suction pipelines. High-level electricals. Running alarm with sound and light. Auto counting bottle inlet with sensor. Real-time display of operational status of each point. Using servo motor to control bottle flipping. Use an iron air rod at the entrance to remove static electricity from the outer wall of the bottle. Using photoelectric technology for bottle counting. Blow negative ion static air into the bottle. The safety door lock prevents personal injury during equipment operation. Sucking the outer dust at the exit. Exit counting to confirm the stability. Production data is clear at a glance. With smooth and coherent production. The outlet can connect with filling or other packing machines. The machine is widely used in food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, and cosmetics. We are original factory specialized in auto packing machines. We can supply one-stop packing solution. Warmly welcome all friends from all over the world visit our factory.